Okay, alright. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. So, let's look at 11 commonly confused words and what they mean. So, aisle and aisle. So, an aisle is like the row you can walk down between like seats in like a church, or between shelves in a shopping market, or even in down a hallway, an aisle where all the rooms are, an area where you can walk down. But isle is a small island, like England, a small island, or Isle of Wight, Isle of Man, Channel Islands, an isle like island, isle. Very good. An assent and assent. So assent is to give approval, royal approval for something to become law. Allows a rule to become a law, royal assent. But here, ascent is to go up, to climb up a mountain or a hill. We are ascending Mount Everest. Ascending. We're climbing up it. And ashore and inshore. So inshore means to never happen again. Never happen again, to make sure it will not happen. Ashore is to reassure. Reassure someone that something will happen. Like someone's worried about something, so you're going to assure them. Whew! I just reassured him. I assure you it's fine. I want him to reassure me. I want him to assure it will happen again. Yeah, and ensure that it can't happen. Never. Yeah, so assure is more from feelings, from heart, from interperson. I assure you this is English. And I am ensuring that these words are often mistaken. So I'm ensuring and I'm assuring you. Very good. And 4, Q and Q. Q, like a sign. That was your chance, your opportunity to do something, or a signal. That was your time, allotted time, to do something. Here, now's your cue, go. Now's your cue, start. But a queue is like a row, a line of people waiting for something. A line of people waiting for something. Like into a shop, for example. We're waiting to go in. We are forming a queue. Queue. And gaff and gaffer. So gaff and gaffer. So gaff is to make a mistake. Oh, a blunder. You said something that you didn't mean, or you did something by accident. Then you want to change. And gaffer is a boss. Boss. Someone in charge of workers, maybe at a factory or a construction site. The gaffer. Boss. Very much English slang here. Gaff and gaffer. Mistake. Gaff. Oh. And gaffer. The guy in charge. Now 6 is an interesting one. So pore. Small little holes on our skin, pores, little holes. Little holes on our skin. Pore. And pour, to like have a liquid, to pour it from one bottle into another. Like this. Let's try and get like liquid going there into another one, and it's splashing. Yeah. Poor, poor. And poor, like not enough money. Not enough of money, for example, and beyond. Needing more money. He is poor. I have pores. Pores. I am pouring. I am pouring tea. Tea. Very good. And patience. Patience, like for waiting for something. Waiting. I am being patient and waiting for something. Be patient, wait. Patience. I have patience. I have patience. He is being patient. But patient here also means someone that's going to the hospital. Hospital. They're injured, they're in pain, there's something wrong. So they're a patient in a hospital or a clinic. Yeah. They're a patient. I have 10 patients waiting for me. And draw and draw. So draw means like produce plans, to draw. To draw something. A blueprint, for example, drawing something. And drawer is a little box, a little compartment. You put things inside it. Little box, put things inside the drawer. For safety, security, or to keep it in its place. Like a chest of drawers, different holes, or a massive wall box, different drawers. And dual and dual. So dual with A is like times 2. 2 parts of something. Dual carriageway, 2 roads. Dual pen, for example. Or I can write on both sides, dual ink. And duel is to fight. 2 people fighting, having a duel. To fight. Yeah. To fight. They're having a duel. With dual pistols. Yeah. Very good. So, 2. For example, like in England, we have what's called a dual carriageway, which is like a motorway, which is 2 lanes going that way, separated, and 2 lanes going this way. Dual carriageway. Both of them going one way, dual. Yeah, so it's 2. And reign. So reign is like how long the monarch, the king or queen lasts for. 10 years, 50 years, 70 years, 100 years. That's the reign. Or generally as long as someone's in charge. Like Tom's reign at the company, for example. My reign lasted years, for example. He reigned until he was 90. And rain is just the water coming down from the sky. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Yeah. And 11. Meet. And meet. So meet is to have a meeting. Meet someone for the first time. Ah, nice to meet you. Yes, nice to meet you too. And meat is the kind of like food, for example. Meat, like chicken, beef, turkey and beyond. Pork. Meat. Food from an animal, the flesh. And meet, to meet someone for the first time. Pretty cool. So it's worth going over assure, to reassure you something will happen, and to ensure, to make things so they can't happen again. And again, gaffer, boss. English, this is very much English slang, gaffer and gaff. Gaff is like a mistake. Whoa! And gaffer is the guy in charge. The guy in charge. The gaffer, he reigned. he's in charge. He's reigned for 2 years. But you wouldn't really say reigned very much in the UK. Yeah. And pore, pore and pore. So the pores on the skin, pour water, and pour not enough money. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, very good. Very good, okay. But if you want to keep learning English, then subscribe to the channel below and hit the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. Until then, bye for now.